Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error code 0xc10100be, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first and most obvious resolution is to use the VLC media player. How would you do that? So search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open Store. Search for VLC here and hit enter. Okay, let it load. Go to VLC and then click on the install button here. Now, why am I recommending this as a solution? I mean, this is just a third party media player. The reason behind this is that the VLC media player is known to support as many codecs as possible. It is very rare that a codec will not be supported by the VLC media player, maybe some rare private codec or something. So this is the best solution. Otherwise, if you do not want to do that, then you can consider converting the file extension. I'll show you how to do that. Simply search for, let's say, a video file converter online, okay? And then go to any of these free websites. Go to the free ones. Go to Cloud Convert, it's free. I mean, it's not that I am being sponsored by it, but I'm just recommending it because I've used it. And then go here and then convert to, select a format, select MP4 format. MP4 is the most popular format. Each and every media player will support it. Click on convert and then wait for it to upload and convert and then download it. And once you download it, your job will be done. Now it's processing, which means it is changing the format to MP4. And once it is done, simply click on download. Okay, and click on save as, and then select a good location and then click on save. And once it is saved, then you can go and open that file. Okay, I will refresh it and then we can open that file, or we can simply open that file from the download section here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.